The topic is introduction of doubly linked list. In single linked list, there are mainly two parts. One is node and one is pointer. The address of data 7 is 100. The address of data 4 is 200. But in doubly linked list, there are mainly three parts. One is data and two is two address pointers. One is pre-pointer and second is post pointer. Okay, address 100, the data of address 100 is 7. प्री पॉइंटर मीन्स 100 के पहले वाला पॉइंटर, यानी जो पहले नल था वो हमने 0 पॉइंट किया, एंड 100 के बाद वाला पॉइंटर को हम पोस्ट पॉइंटर में पुट करेंगे तो वो होगा 200. वैसे ही फोर्थ एड्रेस 200 एड्रेस के लिए डेटा है 4, लेकिन 200 के पहले वाला प्री पॉइंटर हमारा होगा 100 एंड पोस्ट पॉइंटर होगा 400. वैसे ही डेटा 9 के लिए उसका एड्रेस है, मेन एड्रेस है 400, उसका प्री पॉइंटर होगा 200 एंड पोस्ट पॉइंटर होगा जो कुछ भी नहीं है तो हम नल पुट करेंगे. हाउ टू डिफाइन सिंगल लिंक्ड लिस्ट. स्ट्रक्ट नोड, इंटीजर डेटा एंड स्ट्रक्ट नोड स्टार नेक्स्ट. This is pointer and this is main data. And complete bracket complete struct node star head. Star head को हमको अलग से डिफाइन. डबली लिंक लिस्ट इज सेम एज सिंगल लिंक लिस्ट, बट वी ऐड वन मोर पॉइंटर. सो struct node integer data, struct node star next. This is post address, but we also add pre pointer. So we add struct node star pre-pointer and struct node star head. Advantages of doubly linked list. We traverse easily in forward and backward direction. In single linked list, we traverse only forward direction. But in doubly linked list, we traverse forward and backward also. Insertion and deletion are easy for doubly linked list because pre and post pointer are available. Disadvantages of doubly linked list. It takes more memory space. In single linked list, there are mainly two parts. One is data and one is address. So it takes 4 byte and 4 byte. तो 8 byte कंज्यूम करेगा सिंगली लिंक लिस्ट के लिए. But in doubly linked list there are mainly three parts. One is data and two is address parts, pre-address and post address. So 4. So it consumes 12 bytes for one node. Next lecture we will discuss how to insert element and delete element in a doubly linked list. Hope you understand the introduction of doubly linked list. Thank you.